Andre Stevenson live, who is a known batman. Zine? Where the street not like him, no matter how you think, say, corporate like him or him talk like him a nice person in a corporate. The street not like him. And he is a known batman.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox, how the latest news them
Morning, bright and early, the Prime Minister link Ramesh Zine and him congratulate the artist them. When you realize how quick that happened? Less than 20 hours. You notice when the Jamaica Labour Party had the damage control are less than 20 hours. But them can't get to the people in less than 20 hours. But them call Ramesh same time, do the meeting. Remember say he could have just go up on live and link Ramesh. Them say, no, come at the office Ramesh, sit down with me, make it look good. Remember him never call Budgie, him not call Cartel, him not call Spice, him not call none of them because him not really care. Him might do it because Foota say what him say and the people them are looking to it. So him want to do a quick thing when Ramesh is already film agent. You understand? Him and Ramesh done a work together already. Which nothing wrong with that. Because if you have a team, you have a team. And I you not really notice. Remember say from COVID, Andrew go up on Ramesh live, Christopher Tufton go up on Ramesh live, Christopher Tufton go up on Shensia live, you know, they merge with Ding Dong with the whole COVID thing, encourage everybody to take the joke and thing and rate it. You remember? It was a organized initiative. Ramesh is the Jamaica Labour Party street cred. Zine, what me have to comment Andrew for though? Andrew have more sense than Mark Golding when it come to them something there. I'm going to show you why I say that. Andrew make sure build and empower Ramesh, so Ramesh have influence on the masses. Zine, listen good enough. Ramesh have over 1,000 girls work for him. Zine, I do promotion, because I break it down to you today and show you how Mark them have the right vision and the right thing for the country, but them not implement the right thing them. Andrew on the other hand is implementing the right strategies to keep the people on the film side. See? Watch this now. Ramesh have like 1,000 girls work for him. See? Then him have like 400 man who work for him in the promotion. Then him have a next like 250 where do bike service, security. So in all Ramesh have about 2,000 people work for him. See? Them 2,000 people there have influenced for our next 10,000 people in our street. So when you see Andrew promote something, yeah, remember Auntie Donato and all of the artists them under Ramesh program work with it. That's why I did hear Valiant sing say, them never know say Babsy and my auntie. It's not true, but them incorporate the lyrics to give Babsy promotion. See? I remember say that's why Christopher Tufton and the Giant Shensi are alive. It's all strategic. See? Which nothing wrong with it because them a team. Don't think I hate me, I hate. It's good strategy. See? Andrew know say, when him go sit down with Ramesh, based on what Foota said yesterday, it make them nervous. Although the truth me attack, it make them nervous. So Andrew and him team quickly think and say, Lord Clark, the boy make a good point, you know, because we don't show the artists them no love. You are Ramesh, come link me. Sit down here, so video camera, suit up and everything. You notice that plan. And then in less than 20 hours that happen. So him know so when Ramesh goes a boom now and repost that, when my big up Andrew, and I say, you one can't do it, because you do so much rate, we have to help you. Those words are going to resonate in the regular people them head. So when Ramesh goes a boom now and post that on him Instagram, and goes a boom and say, wanna choke that, you know? And them 2,000 people that work for Ramesh choke that. And them family and them friend them are the 2,000 people them. When no so Ramesh I look out to see them family, and Ramesh I see them family, them I go repost it too. And then see them friend I go say, Jesus, see me brethren, post this where Ramesh and my friend, cousin, boss, auntie, son, sister, Pitney, and them repost it too. So you get a wave of reposting will show Andrew in a good light. Zine? So watch this now. Where is Mark Golding marketing? Where is the girl there from country? Where's your marketing there? Where Damien Crawford marketing there? The PNP politician them are on the ground. I do the work for real and in the mud for real. And I go into the people them house for real. Where see them marketing? Them now market. Cause guess what? Them have the viral god, me. Me bigger than Ramesh on social media. But me thing look lily. Because who I do the work on the ground, now connect with Foota hype. See him where you see Andrew call Ramesh, put him to sit down side of him and him do him thing. Make Ramesh thing look powerful. Make Ramesh thing look good. Then make sure so Ramesh get goods, all kind of thing, to have the money to spread around the people them and keep the people them in our net. Ramesh network are always great because him always have something to offer. And then when it reaches things like this, Andrew can always rock on Ramesh to fix the street credibility part of the thing. Because what Mark Golding them not understand. When you could have 1 million degree and 10,000 diploma, the street is important. Andrew are killing her with street cred because if not use the street cred after that one, he might use Ramesh. We have the whole of the young world, the whole of the young youth them. Ramesh have the shit in that plate, the straight, the lean, the bend up, the good, the bad, the ugly, everybody. So none of them I love Andrew and be after Ramesh. Him sister him saying Ramesh could do the work on this time just go on independently. So Ramesh have the love of the people them. So what him do now? When pressure reach him, when Foota hype talk, what him do? Him draft him ace in the deck. Him ace in the deck a Ramesh. So him got a boom and join Ramesh, fix up the camera, me and Ramesh good, Ramesh appraise me as doing good. Although the people them not see I do not good Andrew, but them say Ramesh do good. So Ramesh good, boy laugh as Andrew Holdness good, even mentally, even if they not say it mentally. The street I say, yo, you know see Andrew and Ramesh, yo, Andrew make Ramesh do the thing then. Where's Mark Golding effort? Them a do you know see. The girl when Nikisha what's she name a country, the thick one, when a PNP, she a do, but she alone a post it can't work. I post them not powerful like mine. Damien post them not powerful like mine. Mark Golding could have post 1 million times. Me fight to the right and end up me a ban TNT. And me see TNT I do the work and me a help them. But guess what? They not support me. So me look like a little clown who just like TNT, but TNT not like me. Ramesh look like Labour right love him and him love them. And them a make sure say him have things to spread around to people like him. After the goods them when Ramesh get a giveaway when this time done or there, where you think it a come from? It a come from government warehouse. Them a make sure him get to him to look good in the public eye and make sure him always have something to offer so his name can stay predominant. Think about this. Look on this now. Ramesh come out this morning with the Prime Minister on a video. Zine, the whole Jamaica see that. You think if Ramesh a drive go up the road and some police stop Ramesh and him wind down him window, them a go treat him like how them would treat Foota hype? No. Them a treat Ramesh better. Cause them a go say, remember Ramesh and the Prime Minister are friend, you know. Yo, Ramesh give you a thing and go on here, sir. Buy we a drink. And him a have money can buy them a drink too. And him gone about in business. When them stop Foota hype, how you think them about it? Hey boy, Foota hype, come out that car. What you have in here? You have gun in here, what you have in here? What you have in here? Come out that car. Rotate it. Cause them not see me on the heavyweight. Them not see me and them not see my team a strengthen me. Them not see my team a look out for me. So me have to come in Andrew Holdness on that. Them not PNP not understand domino effect. PNP don't understand domino effect. That's why one of them on boat I got help the people them. I walk through mud, I got help the people them. Dayton Kembla, where name they all about me seem care one big old trail I got give away. Nobody cares. Cause on the now work with the man we lock the net. God bless you know. See me there on the team naturally. I wanna now give us strength and to make sure Sir Ramesh have money and goods at all time. We then I get money by X6 and build big house. Andrew take care of her. What you think say such man trace everybody for Andrew? Such man build apartment and them something there. And Andrew make sure him alright when him a do him thing them and get him clearance when him building them and get him land clearance and get land cheap and the whole for something. So them a go war for Andrew in the media and them have influence on the regular people. And when the regular people see them can broke bread, them can give them money, them can do all kind of things. So the uphill battle, that's why Mark Golding lose the fucking election. Although Mark have the right intention, him have the better plan, him have the better vision for the country, you have to understand the street. PNT are going like them better than the street. Me see the man them got some on a campaign. Come here to just talk my mind, you know. Me see PNP a campaign for election. And me I watch them. Me see Christopher Tufton go up and seeing people them live and thing. Guess which part Mark Golding go to counteract the internet? Where Andrew them a go up and Christopher Tufton them a go up. Mark Golding go up on Andre Stevenson live. Mark Golding, when you do that, it shows you don't know the street. And it shows you who advise you, no blood clot sense. This is why you lose the election. Because you know, even if Andrew them thief the election, you'd have win landslide if you had do the right thing then. But because you not do the right thing, room there for Andrew them can thief the election even if you win by a little bit. You never win by a landslide. Else them could win. But you do the wrong thing. Why would you go to Andre Stevenson live? Who is a known battyman? Zine? Where the street not like him. No matter how the thing say. Corporate like him or him talk like him a nice person in a corporate. The street not like him. And he is a known battyman. Zine? Foota hype over here so defend day in, day out. And I highlight the great things them wanna do. Who do not give me the strength? Who do not come over here come join me live? How do you expect to win? On an idiot, you can see me thing named Straight Nation. I wanna go up on Battyman live. I know forward on the straight live. Are you dumb? On a dumb? If you don't know support to no own, or no win election. Or not have the giant of the net. Foota hype are the giant on the internet. No boy or girl. No as influential on the net like me. I want to keep going around because you don't rate the street. Oh, you finna come do one live with Foota hype. Oh, Damien Crawford finna come do one live with Foota hype. But when you go on Andre Stevenson live, known battyman. Not only is he a known battyman. Andre Stevenson used to live in Andrew Holdness house. He used to say my personal assistant to Andrew Holdness. Zin, remember him say him gay one woman something where if Andrew them kill him, she have it as evidence. So obviously, him and Andrew them mash up for whatever personal reason, can't say a personal thing, and if them touch him, she can release it. The lawyer have it and she can release it. We don't know what kind of secret them there. See about him and I say him have. But him say him have it. And me still not see him dead. Zin, me not see nothing do him. So that means say, Uno Mark Golding, now using the brain. Because in a Andre Stevenson art, he is a laborite. Because him and them mash up, him come over PNT side. And a him, Uno go and give the strength. And no link Foota hype with ban PNT. See say, Uno no sense. Uno work with an imposter. Over a man who really in the system. That's why they lose the fucking election. Because the street not trust you. The street don't trust you. Because you have the street God, the straight God. For on the team. I want to look. You don't give me no strength. Look how Andrew deal with him agent them. Look how Andrew deal with with Ramesh and Dana and all of them. Look. Uno look. I wanna wonder why uno lose the election. That make uno lose the election. Uno out of order. Uno go on Batman podcast and up forward on my podcast. 2 Batman podcasts uno go on. Uno go on the Dirty Coach and uno go on Andre Stevenson. What kind of message that I sent to the street? Think about it. And me there as a giant, as a straight man, and me run the net, no boy, no girl, not have the influence I have and the impact I have. You know, see me talk all Tyrese, go do video, and I explain why I'm come to Jamaica. These are the most powerful thing. When me go on this, it's reaching at everybody's ears. I not share them or share no cash. Here I go. The comment them stop again. How the blood clot is? Somebody comment something, let me see. Yo, you know me can't deal with something, yeah? Me can't see no comment again. Why the comment them stop? So it look like anytime me say TNT or if me say Andrew Holdness name too much, the comment them stop. Come, me not turn off no comment, so why them stop? I'm only allowed to certain comment. Me no know. Anyway, me not turn it off again. So, and that cause TNT to lose the election. And it's not just a money thing. Here now, through Foota bonfire and Foota, them a say, me I think, them a say, yo, we not too want associate with Foota because him not good for the brand. But look on this, Ramesh getting a big trouble with it. Named it all over the internet in a bad way. Ramesh just cool off, trim him ear, and return the star and bring him back to the forefront. You see Andrew shun him. You see Andrew said no. Andrew know what it takes to try to spin the narrative. And Andrew said, even if I figure sit down back with Ramesh, we have to do it because boy Foota pressure with. Boom. Come in Ramesh. Him not hold nothing about bad pressure and rare. He must fix Ramesh thing. Cause you notice when he make sure Ramesh have whole heap of thing figure it before him come back full-fledged in the internet. Him use the storm to fix back Ramesh image and present him again. Which nothing wrong with that. Cause that's how you're supposed to protect your soldier them. So Andrew have that lot more than the PNT them. Andrew and him people them will advise him know how to attack the street and know how to conquer the street. Me there, I fight with you know, because truly and honestly, me no only fight with Mark them through me a PNT. Me I fight with Mark them because the vision of them have and the plan of them have was way better. Way better. And me know say Andrew is not it. Cause remember you know, I'm telling you something, I hate Andrew as a person, but as a prime minister, the worst. Zin, but me only show no and I break it down for no how them take us for idiot and how PNT not a sense. And that's why them lose the fucking election and that's why we're in a turmoil we're in right now. You understand me? I'm come out of the avenue and come in back. Hold on.